Welcome to another podcast of Talk Catalog. Myself, Komalpreet Singh, and today we are going to discuss the same book, that is How to Be More Interesting by Edward de Bono. And we are going to talk about a situation. Let's start. People's perception of values is often very different from reality. The price of silver is usually in the range of $5 to $10 per ounce, while that for gold is $350 to 400 and for platinum it is $400 to $450. Yet in jeweler's shop most people think that gold is probably as twice as expensive as silver and platinum is twice the price of gold. Naturally, dwellers want to preserve this illusion because they show that the price reflected the workmanship put into the object. Also, in terms of value, if you believe silver to be more valuable than it is, then for you, then that is real value. How would people react to silver if they knew it was only 1/70th of price of gold? So, to which point in the passage would you like to direct your attention? For me, it would be the second last line, that is, if you believe silver to be more valuable than it is, then for you it is the real value. The point I want to make you understand here is that the people don't think what they are buying and at what price they are buying. They just believe the experts in their respective fields. If gold is expensive than silver, it is because the experts had chosen this price, and we people don't think about it. We don't give it a second thought that why is gold more expensive than silver and gold is cheaper than platinum. We should know the reason. We must know the reason behind the cost. And like an average smartphone costs rupees 10,000. Have you ever thought what kind of technology is being used? Is it the worth rupees 10,000, or it is much expensive than the technology being used or the input price being used in making this mobile phone? According to the author's point of view, here are some possible focus points from the passage. First, that people's perception of value may be very different from reality. What other examples come to your mind? Second, why is gold much more expensive than silver? Is it because the difficulty of getting gold? Is it because the price people have been prepared to pay? Is it because it never tarnishes, or is it because it looks better? Personally, I believe that people have been prepared to pay this price of gold because they want to show off, they want to set their status, they want to show their money in public. Third, if you believe something to have high value, then it has for you. Is the illusion of value the real value? For example, there is an idiom that is, everything that shines is not gold. Like, you can think that the everything that shines must be costlier, but this is just the illusion of the value that you think. Fourth, in a survey, how many people would know that the raw cost of silver was only 1/70th of the cost of gold? Fifth, what is the point of view of jeweler? Personally, I believe that jewelers would be in the point of preventing the hiding this illusion, because they would think that if people come to know that the silver is about 1/70th the price of the gold, then most of the people will buy silver instead of gold, because they will think that it is just the price of 1/70th than that of the gold. I have mentioned all the 5 focus points in the description below. Kindly go through it and think about every focus point, because thinking about simple things like this would make you smarter and intelligent. And as the title of the book is How to Be More Interesting, you can change the way how you see yourself and how the world sees you. Thank you for listening to this podcast.